In the previous part, we already created a sign-in with Google page and also the loading page, and we can see the token after login and see the no user message if the user haven't logged in yet. So we want to return a suitable page for different situations. And now we go to the auth.js and create two states. One is the current user and the other is loading. So we type use state and then type current user. And then we set the default value is node, and we have to import the use state from React, and then we type loading, and the default value is true, and we change this to capital letter, and then we go to no user state, and then we want to set the current user to be null, and then we also want to set the loading to be false because we already confirmed there is no user, so we have to set the loading to be false and set the current user to be null. And then at here we already have the token and user, so we can set the current user, and actually we can copy this and paste to here, but this time we have to set the user. And now we can back to the index and we copy this component, so we cut this and then we back to the auth.js, and instead of just return the auth provider, we can, if this is loading, then we have to return the loading component, and then if there's no user, then we have to return the login page. So we return login, and we have to import from the component, and else we return the auth context provider. So this only happens when it has the user. So at last, remember, we have to pass the values of the current user. So we type current user. So later we can get the current user by using the use of. And we should change this to if no current user, because the user only applied on this area. So we should use the current user to check if no current user, then it will return the login page. So we want to save all the things, and if we try to back to the underscore app.js to be index.js, and then we returned, we delete this one and save it.